how to buy stuff with Sweatcoin. So it's actually super simple. Make sure your steps are being counted and get some Sweatcoin ready. So after you have some Sweatcoin ready, all you gotta do is press on the shop icon right here at the bottom, the second one, and here you can see a bunch of different options. So you have some free options as well and some other offers that you can get discounts or something else. So right here we have rewards hub, so you can complete surveys and get gift cards and cash. And if you wanna get gift cards directly or buy stuff like this video is for, or what this video is for, you will have these two options right here at the bottom if you are a new user. So you will have the option to get a $5 gift card or a $20 gift card for 500 and 2000 Sweatcoin respectively. So that's those are some ways of how you can buy stuff with Sweatcoin. Basically you want to click on it, and then all you have to do is drag or slide this to the side so it confirms your purchase. But I don't have enough Sweatcoin, so I can't buy this yet. So that's how you buy stuff on Sweatcoin. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.